All right, let's build a student routine that actually works, one that won't leave you feeling burned out.
You plan to wake up early and crush it, but the day just kind of slips away, right?
That gap between the plan and reality feels awful. But hey, it doesn't mean you're lazy.
So, the real secret is building a system that stops burnout before it even starts.
Your mind works the same way. It needs that rhythm and structure to really perform its best.
Okay, part 1, winning the morning. Let's see how a great day really gets going.
This gives you quiet, focused time before the world's distractions really start rolling in.
This little sequence basically tells your brain, hey, it's time to wake up and get energized.
Your brain is sharpest right after you wake up, so you've got to tackle that tough stuff now.
And this just perfectly shows the power of using that morning energy wisely. It's a game changer.
Okay, part 2. Let's look at how to stay focused when your energy naturally starts to dip.
These tiny habits can double your understanding and keep your mind totally engaged during class.
Seriously? A 15-minute power break after lunch, a short nap, or a quick walk outside works wonders.
Focus on active tasks that keep you involved without draining what's left of your mental fuel.
So for part 3, the goal isn't more study. It's all about smart recovery and preparation.
This combo of movement, creativity, and planning helps you wind down, but in a productive way.
You know, the blue light from our phones and laptops literally tricks our brains into staying awake.
Let your mind slow down naturally so you can get that deep, restorative sleep. It's crucial.
All right, part 4. A perfect routine means nothing without the right mindset to back it up. So stop comparing how many hours you study to other people. Focus on the quality of your work.
And here's the thing. Consistency is so much more powerful than just raw intensity.
Hey, progress comes from small, daily steps. If you mess up, just restart tomorrow. No big deal.
So the big takeaway is this simple, balanced rhythm for your entire day.
Follow this and you'll find less stress, more focus, and a life that's actually in balance.